You look so stiff. Greetings, CastHeads, and welcome to another unboxing. As usual, we've got another awesome piece sent over to us by our friends at Sunstar. You're probably wondering why Lance is stirring his coffee vigorously. It's because we're at a coffee cafe called Vos Cafe. And the reason why we are here is because on the 20th of this month, which is a Saturday, conveniently for you guys, we are having our first diecast and coffee event. And that's going to be where we're going to get a whole bunch of collectors, including ourselves, to come and display our collection for you to have a perusal at. And some of these cards that we're going to show you today, not so in detail because we want you to come for the event, will be there. So, Lars, you want to add anything about the event?
So we're getting a whole bunch of never seen before cars. Some of these guys have never displayed their cars in any group. So it's going to be a once in a lifetime chance. We want to grow diecast cars and coffee into an annual event. So your support this time would really help us. So we're looking forward to seeing you. So let's.
I just want to clarify one thing. We are here not because of any mediocre coffee. We are here because we're doing this event next week. Just want to let everyone know since there's so much hype, so on and so forth. Okay, so bring out the big box.
See, it's still unopened. We left it for you guys.
Much to my dismay.
Trust me, I've been wanting to open this for morning. It's from Sunstar's Vitesse collection, which is a bit of their high-end vehicles.
While Lance does the whole chatting you guys up and selling the brand, I'll do the unboxing.
So here we go.
Cutting through everything, so we don't cut the car up.
Yeah. So it's delivered this morning, by the way. It was great difficulty that I waited till now.
In case you just tuned in.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. There's lots of
form.
Okay. So I've been waiting to get my hands on this because our next issue of the magazine is going to be featuring the 70 years of Porsche. And we told the guys at Sunstar, we said, look guys, we are doing this and we would like to feature your Porsche on the magazine. And this is going to be also the car on the cover, our cover car. And so I'm taking this home.
Yeah, for photography.
That's what Lance thinks, but yeah. Okay.
Patience, man, patience.
Right. I waited a long time for this. Right? Oh. I don't want to show this to them even.
I mean, they should come and have a look at it, right?
This is just
done.
I think we should open it up in pieces. Right. You want to talk about the selections of coffee that they have at Vos Cafe?
Well, they have.
I was kidding.
Look at this guy. Even the coffee, you need to go come and try it out on the 20th or before.
There you go. Do the reveal, my friends.
So here we go with a really classic Porsche, one of the first few ones.
This is gonna look good on my table.
It's a 356A. It's 1 into 18. Brand new from the factory itself. You must remember that most of these models are made for showing off and not staying in a box in a dusty cupboard where you really don't enjoy it. So you guys should take out
where
the models.
he keeps most of his cars. Look at that. Oof. Yeah. So red interior, beige steering wheel, beige gear lever.
I just want to take this out.
Yeah, take it out. I think this has got proper detailing. Of course, we're not going to be able to put that back again. Sweet, they've also tied the car up with little bows for us on the side here. It's really nice touch. Don't don't know much about the stand, but wow, look at that.
These are those multiple stands that I suppose you can fit together.
Yeah. Mm. That's an absolute beauty. I am assuming the front and the back open, doors open.
So, there's one way to find out, boys and girls.
You might want to do this actually. Knowing me, I'm going to scratch that paint. So while Lance intricately cuts these things off, we've also got a package from Jake in Malaysia. And if you've seen our Facebook page, you would have seen the contents of that package. I'm going to be showing you that as well today. Scary, Mission Impossible shit going down right now. And we're open. As usual, I cannot do that.
So, you see, those are fully openable. And you can have a look at the engine bay.
There you go. Porsche's air-cooled Wonder. Oh wow.
And with the spare wheel in the front. Yeah, the boot is in the front. So, you guys already know.
And I don't think this wheel rolls either. These do. And it has the steering works. The wheels turn.
The wheels do roll in this.
Yeah, you've checked it out. The detail is. So back again, and we've got a pile of ignition models and tarmac works right in front of me. We've also got the Mini GT Malaysia exclusive. I know a lot of people in Sri Lanka are waiting to get their hands on this. We've been fortunate enough to get them before everybody else. And let's just get right into it. Just to let you know, we are at Vos Cafe. And the reason why we are at Vos Cafe, if you say it fast enough, it sounds like Divorce Cafe. The reason why we're here is because on the 20th of October, we are going to be having our first die-cast and car event. Die-cast and coffee, sorry. So this is the Honda Toyota Supra RSR, and as you can see, I'm holding the front plate of the container. So this model comes with a container. It's an exclusive edition, and limited edition card. What else surprises are we going to find in here? Nothing else, right? And oh wow! So this is what it looks like. If I can get my hands around all of this, and we're displaying it. I think that's really cool. It's the first time we got our hands on one of these, yeah, it's a great paint job, metallic paint on white.
So, just to be clear, there's only 1,488 of these made.
And yours is 757. Not an auspicious number, but it's still cool. The only problem with this container thing is it's a little bit fiddly. But other than that, it's quite cool. Tarmac Works branding on the top, RSR branding on the back. Special edition to make you feel that exhibit special, and obviously nothing at the bottom. But yeah, there you go, the Toyota Supra. If you're a big Supra fan, this is actually quite a cool car to have in your collection if you can get your hands on it. And if you can get your hands on it from a reliable source, you get it at a good price, because we all know what happens to these cars once they hit eBay. And speaking of cars that hit eBay, the new GTR Pandem Orange is now $300 on eBay. It's not even been a week, right? These are going at about 150 to 200 US dollars, and this is the turquoise version of the Pandem, the Nissan GTR. I love these Pandems, and I love the fact that tarmac and ignition models do these, because the sort of detail you get on 164s, this is by far some of the best that I've seen. So that is the turquoise GTR. We've also got the new GT86 from Toyota, and this one is in the metallic blue that they did the Nissan GTR in. Again, another great set of detail. And remember, you can see close-ups of these at our diecast and coffee event happening on the 20th. So if you want to get a better look at these, definitely come on over. You won't be allowed to touch them. You will have people that will beat you up if you try. But you certainly can get a very, very close look at this. And some of these air canards that you get on the side, I mean, look at that. I really wish I got the Nissan GTR in this color. Unfortunately, I missed it. And now it goes for about $200 online. Maybe one day Ignition Models will find one of these GTRs in red in the back of their factory, and they'll go, "Hey Nigel, we know you want this," and they'll give it to me. But again, these pendants are just absolutely gorgeous. And then finally, we're going to break open this Mini GT, another unboxed. This thing will use the knife. This is Lance's model, so he's watching all of this with extremely bated breath. He might even pass out because he knows how clumsy I am. If this has side mirrors, we're in trouble. This is the first time I'm seeing a Mini GT up close and personal. It's from TSM, and true scale models do some really nice detail as well. And this is absolutely no exception. I can see why all the Honda Civic fans are going nuts over this. Look at that. In fact, I think Lance, you should take it after this and have a closer look at it. This is just... So yeah, it's literally an era where everyone's going to be saying move over Hot Wheels, because 164 has now come to this level. I mean,
The amount of detail.
it's just, you want to put this on under a magnifying glass and look at this in much better, much larger view.
It has the crystal black modulo kit.
Wheels
roll, bro.
Wheels roll, bro. Wheels roll. So there you have it. That is our latest stash. You can catch all of this on the 20th of October. We hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please share it with your friends, and we'll see you on Saturday. Take it easy.